Oh, look, the baby duck is crying. The baby duck wants to swim. Can you help build a pond for her? That's an excavator. Tap on. That's a dump truck. Meet Benny's friend, Chubby the beaver. Tap on. Tap on the button to start. Well done. Let's fill the pond with water. Well done. Look at the baby duck swimming. James is enjoying a long drive on a sunny day. Oh no, there's a hole in the middle of the road. Can you help fix the hole? That's a bulldozer. Tap on Benny and he will jump on the bulldozer. Awesome! Whoa! Whee! Happy driving!